Hello, my name is Coby, and I've worked with Carrots and Shelby with JMS consulting firm. And me and my wife got into flipping houses, and our credit was terrible. So I started using his services, and he's increased my credit score almost 150 points in almost 2 months by deleting negative items and disputing addresses and phone numbers and other various things on my credit report. I've gotten extremely good results. I've gotten lots of emails and mailings from credit card companies and stuff wanting to sign me up for credit cards, but I've kind of waited. And the mostly thing that I like about him is that he's thorough, he stays in contact with you, and just make sure everything is taken care of quickly and efficiently. I would recommend you looking him up and trying to get his things done as quickly as possible, because with the economy the way it is, and it's always good to have good credit and focus on your finances, because you never know when you could have an emergency in life. There's many benefits to having a good credit. It's beneficial for if you need an emergency for a family, or just for business loan, and lower interest rate if you're going to be running a business, and you can get a financial credit and better points on your loans. So I would really recommend JMS Consulting Firm. Thank you.